No, I know you're right next door, but there's no need to come over. All right, the LASIK surgery went off like dynamite, okay? And look, even though I'm temporarily blind, in the words of Steve Irwin, there's nothing I can't do. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna have some leftover spaghetti, and you tell me about your trip to Target, okay? Yeah? Oh yeah, is that right? Okay. Oh my God, Janet, you're not gonna believe this, but I must have left the spaghetti on the floor because I was so nervous about the surgery, I wasn't thinking straight. Now go on, okay. Yeah. Oh no. Wait a minute. This is disgusting. $5.50 for tea candles at Target? That doesn't sound like Target prices. No, I'm listening. I'm just gonna grab some water. Yeah? Well, you know, please tell me you tried Walmart. Yeah. Well, I find Walmart's good. I mean, I know it's a big organization, but Yuck! Oh, $7.50 for tea candles? No. You could make your own tea candles for that price. Well, if anyone could do it, it's you, Janet. Yeah, make your own jams and jellies. I'll tell you, being temporarily blind really does heighten your other senses. Yeah, I'm learning, you know, that the tap water in LA is practically undrinkable. I'm not kidding. No, Janet, no need to come over. There's no need to come over. I don't need any of your famous kombucha. I'm sorry, mombucha. No, I know it smells like watermelon, but I just don't trust it. Okay? Yeah. No, I'm just gonna get comfy and put on my slippers, all right? And I'm just gonna have a rest, okay? Go on. Okay. Yeah. Well, I have an idea. You know what? You should try internet shopping. Yeah, because there's so much stuff you can find on there. Oh God, hot slippers. Yeah. No, I left my slippers by the radiator again. Yeah. Well, you know, you should try Amazon.com because I find such cute things there. I really do. Yeah, you know, I found a piece of artwork there made of rustic barnyard wood, and it said "Live, Love, Laugh." And I just thought that is so true. No. I think those were Gandhi's last words before he lit himself on fire. All in the name of Allah. Yeah. No, it's Gandhi. I'm pretty sure it's Gandhi, or is it Gandhi? Is it Gandhi? Oh God, Janet, someone's at the door. Okay, hold on just a second. Oh my God. You know what? I bet it's my ex-husband, Stanley. Didn't I tell you he's been calling and calling? Oh God. Okay, hold on. Well, if it isn't Mr. I'm a piece of shit. Well, this is rich, isn't it? I guess come on in, Stanley. I can tell by the way you slid across the floor that you haven't lost much weight. So what is this, You want me back? Is that right? Look at me, Stanley. I've had LASIK surgery. I'm a different woman now. I'm not the same sad sap who spent all our money on Herbalife treatments. You can't come crawling back to me. Silent treatment, huh? Well, why don't you be a man? Invite me. Do you know how long I've waited to wrap my hands around your cold metallic neck? Do you forget? Now get the hell out of my house! Oh God. Janet, did you hear that? Oh God, I just strangled my ex-husband. Oh my God, I'm sorry, Maxie. You know what? I strangled him and I know it's not allowed, but I am walking on air. Oh, Janet, no, I can't stay at home alone. I'm coming over. I'm gonna throw some lipstick on and I'll be right over, okay? Makeup light on. Remind me to get some lipsticks that aren't so sharp, Janet. Okay, I'll be right there. Maybe before I leave, it's time for a visit from Mama's